Good afternoon, class. This is quarter one, week two, Monday homework. We're going to do a little bit of Monday homework, and then I'll progress and move to the other days. All right, so let's look at this. For Monday's homework, we are adding where one of the numbers is a positive and the other number is a negative. Okay. So let's look at this. When you're adding two positive numbers together, that's real simple. If I have 5 plus 2, a positive plus a positive is a positive, and you're just adding. Okay? A positive, let's do 4 plus, make this is positive 4. Positive 4 plus 5. Positive plus a positive is positive 9. So a positive plus a positive is equal to a positive. Okay? We're talking about if one of the numbers is positive and the other number is negative, what is your answer then? All right, so let's just look. The first thing is if one of them is positive, one of them is negative, you take the sign of the number that has the highest absolute value or the one that's further away from zero. Let's look at this first one. We got positive 3 and positive 7. On the number line, positive 3, this is 0. Positive 3 is 1, 2, 3 spaces away from 0. Okay? Negative 7 is negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 7 is 7 places away. Okay? You see how 7 is further away from 0 than 3 is? So since 7 is further away from 0 than 3 is, negative 7 is further away from 0 than 3 is, my answer is going to be a negative. Okay? My answer is going to be a negative because this number is further away from 0 than this number. So my answer here is going to be a negative, and because the signs are different, now I subtract. So what is 7 minus 3? 7 minus 3 is going to be 4. This is my answer. Okay, I'm going to do another one. Same way. The signs here are different. One is a negative, one is a positive. Which one of these numbers is further away from 0? Negative 5 is 5 spaces away from 0. Positive 8 is 8 spaces away from 0. So since 8 is further away from 0 than negative 5, my answer is going to be a positive. Okay? So now since the signs are different, you're going to subtract. So 8 minus 5 is 3. This is a positive 3. We're going to do it again. Which one of these numbers is further away from 0? Negative 8 or positive 12. And if you need to go back and look at the number line, just look. 0 is here. Negative 8 is over here. How many spaces away from 0 is it? It's 8 spaces away. Positive 12 will be on this side. How many spaces is 12 away from 0? It's 12. Which one is further away? 12 is further away. So my answer is going to be a positive because 12 is a positive. The signs are different, so I'm going to subtract. 12 minus 8. What's 12 minus 8? Use your fingers and your toes. You have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4. You see that? Use your fingers and your toes. Okay? And we could have counted here. Don't forget, I should have said that at the beginning. Please, if you don't remember, use your fingers and your toes, okay? I want to refrain from using the calculator because a lot of this is going to be calculated in active, and we need to be able to do this. All right, let's look at these two numbers. One's a negative, one's a positive. We're going to take the sign of the number with the highest absolute value. Which one of these is further away from 0? Negative 7 or positive 2? Okay, you look at the number line. Negative 7, put 0 in the middle. Negative 7 is 7 places away. Positive 2 is only 2 spaces away. So this is for negative 7 is further away. So my answer is going to be a negative. The signs are different, so we subtract. What is 7 minus 2? 7 minus 2, use your fingers and your toes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5. Okay? All right, so now we get into where it's a negative plus a negative. All right? When you have a negative plus a negative, the answer is going to be a negative. Okay, if a -5, it's like saying I owe you $5. Plus a -2, I also owe you $2. So how much do I owe you total? A -7. I owe you $7. Okay, a negative plus a negative is equal to a negative. So a negative plus a negative is a negative. Add the numbers together. 12 plus 1 is 13. A negative plus a negative, this is a negative. Add 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is -12 here. I did this first. Now I'm going to add 11 to it. So now look at what I have. One's a negative, one's a positive. They're different signs. Which one is further away from 0? -12 or 11? -12 is 12 spaces away. 11 is 11 spaces away. -12 is further, so my answer is a negative. Subtract the numbers from each other. 12 minus 11 is going to be 1. My answer is -1. I'm going to do 13. Look at 13. Let's do two numbers at a time. These two numbers are different. Which one is further away from 0? -4 or 6? -4 is 4 spaces away from 0. 6 is 6 spaces away from 0. 6 is further away from 0 than -4. So our answer is going to be a positive because 6 is positive. The signs are different, so subtract. What is 6 minus 4? It is 2. Okay? Bring down the plus a -3. Oops, sorry, -3. Look at this. Again, the signs are different. Which one is further away from 0? 2 or the -3? 2 is 2 spaces away from 0. 3 is 3 spaces away from 0. So my answer is going to be a negative. Now we subtract. What is 3 minus the 2? That gives us 1. Okay. 15. A negative plus a negative is going to be a negative. I owe $5 plus I owe another $5. I owe $10, -10. Bring down the plus 1. The signs are different here. Which one is further away from 0? -10 or 1? -10 is 10 spaces away from 0. +1 is 1 space away from 0. Okay, so my answer is going to be a negative because 10 is further away from 0. Subtract. 10 minus 1 is 9. That's my answer. Okay, let's do this one. Let's see what we have. -9 plus 4. The signs are different. Do the first two. Okay, which one is further away from 0? -9 is 9 spaces away from 0. +4 is 4 spaces away from 0. -9 is further away from 0, so my answer is a negative. The signs are different, so I'm subtracting. 9 minus the 4 is going to give me 5. I did the first two numbers. Let's do the last. +7. Again, the signs are different. Which one of these is further away from 0? -5 or 7? -5 is 5 spaces away from 0. +7 is 7 spaces away from 0. 7 is further away from 0 than -5. So your answer is a positive, okay, because 7 is further away. The signs are different, so subtract. 7 minus 5 gives us 2. Use your fingers and your toes, okay? So now I want you to move on to this section. I want you where it says you try, and now I want you to try these, okay? All right. If you have more questions, just let me know. Bye.